Our RV service team has the knowledge and experience you can count on. All of our RV service technicians are RVIA, RVDA certified. This certification is awarded to RV technicians that complete and pass rigorous training and testing through the Recreational Vehicle Industry Association and the Recreational Vehicle Dealers Association. In addition to the RVIA RVDA certification, our RV service team has a combined 66 years of RV industry experience. Since we are only 1 mile from the Winnebago Motorhome plant here in Forest City, Iowa, several of our RV service team members have direct experience from Winnebago Industries. Of the 66 years of RV industry experience, our service team has a combined 33 years of experience at Winnebago Industries in various positions from quality control and direct manufacturing to the painting of Winnebagos. You will experience the best at Lichtsinn RV with our service department. In fact, we have been awarded Winnebago's Customer Satisfaction Award for 26 years. This year, we were named a Flying W Platinum Dealer by Winnebago, meaning that our customer satisfaction scores were in the top 12 of all Winnebago dealers across North America.